Could this fruit be the key to healthy blood sugar and a long life in Italy? Hey guys, welcome back to another exciting video today. Today we are going to talk about something that might just surprise you. Life expectancy in Italy is actually 5 years longer than in the United States, despite us having access to the best medical technology and doctors in the world. Well, Italy may disagree with that, but to me, we are. The US, the technology is better. But wait, before we start pointing fingers at Americans or Italians, let's take a look at what the Italians are doing right. One thing that stands out in their diet is eggplant. Not only it's delicious, but also great for diabetics. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, ugh, eggplant? That's boring, but trust me, if you know how to cook it, you will love it. Today, I'm going to share with you a few tricks and tips that will get you excited about incorporating some more eggplant into your diet. So sit back and relax and let's talk about this amazing fruit. You heard me right, it is a fruit. Welcome back to my channel, where we are diving into the health benefits of different types of foods all the time. Today, we are talking about eggplants, and I've got to say, these purple veggies are seriously impressive. Not only do they come loaded with essential vitamins and minerals, but they also pack a serious punch when it comes to antioxidants. These powerful substances, the antioxidants, help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, which happens to be a lot in diabetics and pre-diabetics, which can contribute to a range of chronic diseases, not only diabetes, but everything that comes along the line with diabetes, including cancer. So with a specific type of antioxidant we are talking about here, it's called anthocyanins, which gives eggplants their vibrant color. You can trust that they are doing some serious good for your body if you see a colorful vegetable. So keep watching to learn more about these incredible benefits of eggplants today. Looking for a new veggie to add to your diet that won't leave you feeling like egg static? Eggplants is your ticket. These bad boys are not only versatile in the kitchen, but they also have some pretty impressive health benefits. Their high fiber content means that they can help regulate your blood sugar levels by slowing the rate of sugar absorption in the body. Plus, they contain polyphenols that can reduce sugar absorption and increase insulin secretion for even more blood sugar control. So next time you're grocery shopping, don't be a chicken and add some eggplants to your cart and give your taste buds and blood sugar levels something to cheer about. Listen up, folks. If you are looking to cook up some eggplant, you may want to reconsider your choice of cooking oil and the sauce. As it turns out, vegetable oil, the stuff we have been told is healthy, can contain some sneaky oxidants. If you're trying to get antioxidants, not oxidants, okay? These oxidants which can throw a wrench in your eggplant dish. And tomato sauce? Don't even get me started. Sure, it is delicious, right? But it's also packed with sugar. Not exactly the best ingredient for a healthy meal. So, if you want your eggplant to shine, try opting for different cooking oil like olive oil or avocado oil. Maybe go easy on the tomato sauce, right? Eggplants can be a tricky food to navigate for those who are new to it too. So you might find yourself like feeling bloated or gassy after indulging in this deliciousness once you realize, hey, wow, that's really good. But fear not, you're not alone in this digestive dilemma. Eggplants are known to contain oxalates, which can potentially increase the risk of certain types of kidney stones called calcium oxalate stones. Now, how do you prevent that? Well, first of all, if you have enough calcium in your diet, it will bind the oxalates, so you don't have to worry about them. So every time you contain a food with a high in oxalates, you incorporate some calcium-containing foods, and you're good to go, okay? Because calcium and oxalate, when it binds in the intestinal system, you poop it out. When you don't bind the oxalate will find the calcium in your blood, in your kidneys, and it will bind there, and then you have a stone, okay? So be careful about this. This is important to understand. But don't let that oxalate story stop you from enjoying the versatile vegetable. You know, like I said, add some calcium-containing foods. It could be a yogurt. It could be whatever. You know, in Middle East, what they do is they drink a yogurt drink, which is goes very well with eggplant and meat dishes as well. Most of you are not used to it, but I'm sure Middle Eastern audience are cheering up right now. Yeah, we love this drink. But just be mindful of your portions and listen to your body's cues. If you're having problems, start slow and then increase your portions later. After all, folks, life is too short to miss out on the pleasures of a good eggplant parmesan, right? Thanks for watching. Remember to click on super thanks button below and subscribe if you haven't done so already. You can enjoy hundreds of videos in our channel and keep your diabetes under control naturally. Check sugarmds.com before you leave this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Talk to you later. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying this channel so far, and I hope you subscribed already. If you didn't, do it. And if you did, watch this video right there. I think that will help you too.